Okay, the cars are down there somewhere. I think I see the top of CJ's. Hey, a sled! Oh, okay. Here's CJ's car. Here's my truck. And these are the neighbors. Oh, that snow. Oh, crap. Forgot my keys. I gotta walk all the way back. Oh, no, here they are. Okay, well, let me see if I can move. Okay, see y'all in a bit. Okay, this is the main road leading to our house. It's south to Fletcher. And that's north to Fairview, which we actually live in Fairview, even though we have a Fletcher mailing address. But I'm going to take a shortcut home. Since I have to tromp through all the snow, I might as well tromp through the yards. Instead of going up and down to grandmother's house we go. Okay. Nice little journey. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sketch. To think I did this for your viewing enjoyment. Hey, I did it in the Army carrying backpacks. Oh yeah, I wasn't a fat ass then. Okay, see you guys later.